Alright, so we're going to change the camshaft sensor on a Subaru Sti. Well, first, looking at my manual here, it's going to be under here on the driver's side. So you got to jack your car up first. Once you get that done, you can take your battery out, eat some cereal. You know, unicorns can heal whatever troubles you. That includes camshaft sensors for the part number 22056aa210. Now, going back to here, seems like right here in the front. So we'll make our way to the car. Here's your battery. That's 10mm. You have two sides. And the terminals are also 10mm, so take those out. Lift your battery out if you want to. Grab a 10mm with a 6-inch extension. Hop underneath it. Here's your oil holder control valve. And then here's the camshaft sensor right here. There's a bolt right here. 10mm. Pop this blue clip off by hitting this. And then this one, gonna have to squeeze and pull that one out. And pull it out. There's where it's going to go. Grab your new sensor. So for the driver's side, lower front, it'll say 8724. And that's the part number 22056aa210. There's an O-ring on it. You could probably put some oil around it before you put it in. 22056aa210. That's not for the driver's side. Just to let you know. Grab your new sensor after you put oil on the O-ring. Go underneath. Push it. You'll hear it click in. Make sure the holes are lined up. Grab your bolt. Tighten her up. Hook a gray clip back onto it. Oh, another thing. There's only one slide. And one slide on each side of the gray clip. Put your blue one back on. And there you got it. Now you can go back to your Subaru coloring book.